Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and generate more exposure for you and your business online. There are three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. Many companies build beautiful websites but fall short when it comes to content and keywords. Understand every time that you type something into Google, into the search bar, you're entering keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit your search criteria. This is called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in your company. It creates popularity. Citations or referring domains, that is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown, exactly as your Google business profile. If you do not have a Google Business Profile, it's highly recommended that you build one. It directly connects your business to the citations and helps you rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen in the map. A lot of people search through the map, products and services near me, tree service near me, and you want to be seen for that local search area and have your citations and Google Business Profile here getting you the exposure that you need for that. Most people don't go past the first page of Google when they're looking for something, so it's important to have a well-built website to get you exposed right here with the correct keywords in search engine optimization. Now, underneath the map is organic ranking. So if you've ever wondered how do people get on the first page of Google, it's relevant to the content, the backlinks, and the keywords that they have with their citations. So we have some competitors here. I typed in tree service Apex and I did not see your website on the first page, but I wanted to explain how this works. So I took a competitor, JD, and I plugged him in. This is his website, and I have a tool that I can reference. It is called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on inside of a website or what's going on behind closed doors. You can see that he has 208 backlinks, 46 referring domains, and 81 keywords that are bringing him 60 views of traffic per month based on his keywords. Let's take a look at keywords. Now this is the volume per month. So each month Tree Pros is searched 1,000 times. We don't want to look at his name, but we want to look at Apex Tree Removal 90 times a month. Apex Tree Service 600 times a month. Tree Removal Cary, North Carolina 100 times per month. So when you add this up, you start to see that there's a lot of volume of people looking for services, and with the correct keywords and content built into your website, once typed in, you will get the exposure that you need right here on the first page. When we take a look at your website with what's going on inside of your keywords or your backlinks, we can see that you have 5 backlinks, 3 domains, and 2 keywords. Now you want to take into consideration not all backlinks are created equal. You want a strong domain rank with traffic, decent amount of traffic. These are not so strong. We take a look at some backlinks over here for this particular website, for this competitor, the domain rank, and the amount of traffic that these backlinks are getting per month. So it creates an endorsement, it creates trust when you have the right backlinks and the right content built into your website to get you the exposure that you need when tree service is typed in. These keywords, Google will find that within your website and then it will start to rank. Now, once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you're to bring the value, and Google can trust you, and you'll move up the rank structure. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they fall short when it comes to content and keywords and backlinks. Um, Once all this comes together, you can start to see the value of your business and how quickly you'll start to move on to the first page and get that exposure. It's extremely important to have a well-built website so that you can be seen. Without the right content in the backlinks, it's like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody will see it. So, with that being said, I'm hoping that you have a better understanding of what's going on and how people rank on Google and how you get exposure and what Google looks for. And if you find yourself wanting some more information, um, I could do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business and your goals. And I just wanted to take the time to explain that to you today. And I hope that you have a great day. Thank you.